Hey guys, we are here in the Costa Rican rainforest in Arenal. Say hi to my friends over there.
Hello.
So it's raining and I forgot to bring a raincoat. So make sure you bring a raincoat and an umbrella when you travel to Costa Rica. Because it was in my mind the whole time while I was packing, but forgot it. So here I am in the rain. And we make the best of it, right guys?
Yes.
So what do you think of this place?
Oh, it's absolutely beautiful. I've never been inside a rainforest like this before. So much wildlife. Really peaceful.
And the rain is not that bad, right?
The rain's not bad at all.
Yeah.
There we go.
Oh.
A nice tree that we call property tree, right above you.
So this is Freud right here, our tour guide.
Mucho gusto, amigos. Pura vida. Thank you to join us in the rainforest today. We have the whole experience today.
Yes, and we have the whole rainforest for ourselves with
Totally.
animals, right?
Just for us. I mean, there's
That's
nobody
the cool
else
thing,
around.
private.
They
No.
arranged it that way for you.
Yeah. What do you think of this experience?
I say pura vida.
I love it. I love it. The Pura Vida is catching on, right? What about you there, Mr. Hans? Solo?
Yeah, ditto.
Huh?
Ditto.
Pura vida, right?
Ditto. Ditto. Anyway,
That's gonna be my new default.
so how many bridges and like how long is this whole forest?
The
that we're
place has been
tracking?
open already 22 years.
Oh wow.
There
Okay.
is 10 stable bridges steady, and now we want to go into the first suspension bridge. That is one of the two high ones we have.
Oh cool. And I think when you think of Costa Rica, you're thinking of like suspension bridges, you're thinking of adventure, rainforest, which we are in. You're thinking of zip lining, which we did yesterday. So pretty cool. So this is the first suspension bridge right behind me. And apparently this is supposed to have a view of a volcano, right?
In a clear day, yes.
In a clear day, the
Now
volcano.
we gotta use our imagination.
So tell everybody how many days you can see the volcano here in
From this
Arenal.
place, at the most 85, 90 days a year you got to see volcano happen.
85, 90, out of 365.
You're right. Which is the max.
All right. What? It's okay. That's me. All right, everybody's getting a high five on this bridge. Let's go. High five. Woo! Yeah.
High five.
Woo. Let's go. High five. High five. Okay. Oh, high five.
Alright, let me turn you around and high five you.
All right.
Good. High
All
five.
right. Woo! Let's go.
right, here you
Look
go.
at this, guys. This is pretty cool.
Enjoy the view, guys, for the canopy.
Yes.
That's basically the idea of this activity, you know, that you got to enjoy the floor, the rainforest, the understory, and
You make
the
the
trip
best.
up and the
Yeah,
central.
exactly.
Very clear day, volcano will be right in front of you, but
Where is on front?
on the
This
right,
way?
yes.
Wow.
But usually you don't see it.
No.
It's Costa Rica's biggest scam. What's up? With the guide.
This place, guys. Where can you go and walk on these hanging bridges? Only in Costa Rica, so you have to visit Costa Rica. And if you're not subscribing to this channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Look at my mismatched outfit. And the P stands for Patel.
Fun, super good.
Yeah,
Yes,
is that
yes.
the first hanging bridge you guys have been on?
Yes.
Scary, not scary?
That was alright.
Yes, guys.
Oh, that. Is number 3 scarier? Is it higher?
The highest one is the third one.
Third one. All right. That's the one we're gonna.
Thank you guys for keep the right attitude, you know.
You feel the most like movement. Yeah. But in the front, I'm gonna get everybody's movement. These bridges, I was just saying to Mukti that in the front, everybody that's walking behind, you feel all the movement. And when it's not that high, it's not that scary, right?
Yeah.
I know.
On the bridge?
Can you imagine how bumpy it would get? Because
Very.
Yeah, just with 5, it's
Yeah.
feeling crazy.
Yeah. It's like a roller coaster ride. All right. So we're climbing down this very narrow path that's very steep. And where are we going, Freud?
Now we're going towards bridge number 4.
Bridge number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then how many more? How many bridges total?
Total we have 16.
We have 16 bridges. So
Hanging, that's 6.
hanging 6 and total of 16 bridges we're going to be crossing. So you could just say that we've only just begun, because we have. But the adventure is real. We're not afraid, right? So we are on the last and longest bridge of this park tour. I guess you can call it a tour because we have a tour guide. But it is, how long is this, Freud? 274 feet long. And I know the crowd behind me, they're hungry. You guys ready
Hello.
to, how are you feeling?
Good.
We left our resort at like 6 a.m., right?
Yes.
Yep. And so it's about 9 o'clock now. And I think we're all hungry, right?
Yes.
We're ready to go eat? We gotta go eat some food. But this is 274 feet long. You can see. Woo! And you really gotta maintain your balance because all these bridges, you're very wobbly. And if you have a little bit of a fear of heights, I don't know. What would you tell people if they have a feer of heights?
Probably not a good
depends on
idea.
how bad it is.
Don't look down. That's it. Just do it. You live once. Pura vida, right?
Dad wouldn't be able to do this.
Pura vida?
Pura vida.
Pura vida. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed our tour in Místico, in Arenal, right? Místico Hanging Bridges Park. And if you're not already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this video. And we'll see you in and out around Costa Rica. You ready to go on some ATV tours?
Ready.
All right. Woo. How about you? Hello.
Hello.
First time.
First time.
Excited?
I'm
I
excited.
wanted to do this. break. We're on our little pit stop, and we're almost done with this ATV tour. So I want to get everybody's reviews on what they think.
It's a bumpy ride, but it was fun.
Bumpy ride, bad fumes, arms hurt. What can I tell you, man?
The positive stuff. I want to hear the positive stuff.
There you go.
Major adrenaline rush. Highly recommended.
Absolutely bumpy, absolutely a little bit uncomfortable, but if you're an adventure junkie, you definitely got to do an ATV tour in Costa Rica. And me and you got to try to take the wheel.
I'm not doing that.
I was like, should I get behind the wheel? Yeah. But yeah, but look how beautiful this place is. And we hope you enjoyed this quick little ATV tour that you watched. Here we go. Goodbye. Hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you guys later. I hear them sucking. They're laughing over here. So finally made it to the pool. Sun is out all day today. This is the only day we've had a lot of sunshine. And there's my honey. He wants another. So I am having a seltzer, lime, mint, and fresh mango that we bought from the road. Fresh mango, I muddled it.
She made a mojito with tequila.
A mango mojito with like just clean. It's so good. So now I'm about to go in the water finally, make it in here, and I'm gonna go yell at somebody because no more drinking for this man right here. Where is he? Where is he? I see him with his back towards me. Hi.
What do you mean no more drinking? I didn't even drink.
No more drinking.
Why?
Water right now. While I'm walking in this water, I'm gonna just give you guys the rundown. You can see behind me, mountains. I'm trying to keep my hair up because I don't want to wash it again because I've been washing it almost every day. If you're gonna get in this pool, there's a lot of rocks in the pool, which look beautiful in the daytime, and you can see them, but at night, it's really easy to stub your toes, so remember that. Also, the food on the resort is nice, but I would recommend if you're coming to Costa Rica, make sure you rent a car. The reason I think you should rent a car is because you can like do whatever you want. You can, you know, go travel off property. You can go to these excursions and save a little money. You can, you know, stop on the side of the road and get whatever you want. It's just a whole different experience when you're not sticking on the resort or depending on like taxi service or any of that. So yeah, I'm gonna go join Mukti and Anand right there. They're having some sushi. I'm gonna try some of the sushi and I'll be back. So like I told you guys, I was gonna join Mukti for some sushi, and there it is. The food at this resort. So Mukti is an amazing chef. She cooks. She's one of the best cooks I know. And
Well, thank you.
you're welcome. What do you think of the food here so far? You have to give us like a Costa Rican kind of like food review a little bit.
I think the authentic food is very good. And I think the American food is not bad.
What about the resort food?
Resort food is actually pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But what would
I'm
you
enjoying
recommend
it.
for travelers coming to Costa Rica?
To definitely try the authentic food, definitely. 'Cause
Where
you
can
can't
they
really-
find the authentic food?
At places called sodas, yeah, exactly.
Sodas.
Sodas. It's not a drink.
It's not a drink.
It's not a drink.
Not a drink.
So what are the different, what does that mean, the soda? Anna, you want to explain it?
My understanding is that they're just no frills restaurants to get authentic food. That's my understanding. I could be wrong.
What about the one we went to the other day for breakfast?
Yeah, it was good. It was on the side of the road, close to hanging bridges.
So do you have to be open to like trying stuff like that?
Yes.
Why?
Well, I mean, that's how you're gonna experience the local culture.
So,
Being on the resort, you're not gonna. It's not always reality. So.
true. So that's why you got to rent a car. Wherever you travel to, the best thing you could do is rent a car if it's safe enough to do so, because you really can get a really good feel of the roads, the culture, the people, the food. So, right? Yep. There's the hot tub. There's the bar we've been hanging out at the whole time. And now we're on our way to another area at the springs called the Perdido Springs, which has a whole bunch of other like little springs, which is really, really nice. So we're gonna walk over there and I'll show you guys what it looks like. There's the crew. Okay, you guys, we are here and I'm gonna warn you, this place is so beautiful. So beautiful. I feel like this is the Springs is a 5-star resort, and so you know you're gonna get the best of the best. Literally, side note, our tire had like a leak in it the other day. No worries, sir. They took the car. My husband gave it to them, and it was like, we'll take care of it, and they fixed the flat. So awesome. But anyway, aside from that, Perdido Springs. Let's go. So apparently it has a bunch of different springs as you walk through like this little man-made area. You know, I don't know all the details around like how it's made or whatever. I just know it's like freaking awesome. I mean, literally, who can complain? This is pretty awesome. Jeez. Cheers. Cheers.
We've got mango lassi.
Cheers to an amazing vacation.